We are pleased to show you the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, center armrest. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.